So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Music is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you're trying to go ahead and play a song within Apple Music, or maybe you're trying to go through and listen to something, but for some reason, every single time you listen to a song or whatever thing that's going on, maybe it's just not working for you. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is just going through and closing out of Apple Music and going back into it. So close out of Apple Music, give it a second, go ahead and open this application back up, and you want to see what's going on with it. If you open up Apple Music and it just goes away and it basically starts fixing itself, then maybe it was just an issue at that time, you have nothing else to worry about. Now, if that doesn't seem to fix the issue, you might want to make sure that your audio that you're playing out to is playing to the speakers or to your headphones, whatever you're trying to play with. So scroll down to your control center, click into this top box right here, tap right here, and just make sure that it's being outputted to your right settings. So if it's a headphone, if it's whatever, make sure it's outputted in the right way. If that's still not working, you can also try seeing if there's an update available for your iPhone. Now go inside of your settings application right here, scroll down until you see general, which is right here, click on software update, and if there is an update available, you might want to go ahead and try installing it, because that could very well end up fixing the problem for you. Maybe not for everybody, but that might be a way to do it. And if that doesn't work or restarting your phone doesn't work, you might want to go and make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that show you what's up and the servers are down and everything. And you can make your way here, and then you can basically just go through and just kind of wait it out until Apple fixes their issues. So if it's on here, you're just going to have to basically wait it out until Apple fixes their servers. Now, if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.